Well, good morning, and I'm at the headquarters, North American headquarters of Knauf Insulation, and I'm here with Linda McGovern, who's Vice President of Customer Experience. Linda, thank you very much for having us today. We had a wonderful strategy day with your wider team. We even got an opportunity with Craig Laker, your Head of Innovation, to view your facility, your manufacturing facility. So Linda, if I could just ask you a couple of questions on the kind of strategy we spoke about this morning. We learned a lot about your company values this morning, about really investing and becoming a trusted company. Do you feel science and third-party verifications is important to your customer experience?
I think it is very important because it's a way to differentiate what we're doing in the marketplace from what our competition is doing. And it's one thing to say that our products can do something, but to actually have the science behind it to prove that it is actually working, that's the credibility that we need in the marketplace.
Absolutely, it's that word, credibility and trust, and we've seen a lot of that integrity today on your tour. One of the themes that came up a lot, I was speaking at the International Builder Show recently, I was at the Ventilation Show in Atlanta yesterday, is not only indoor air quality, but the outcome of indoor air quality being healthy buildings and people being healthy in the indoor environment. Do you feel that's one of the kind of market trends that you're seeing as well?
Yeah, I think, well, we did some research recently, and our research showed that, folks are looking for new solutions to make sure that their environments are healthier, and the outcomes of the people, the occupants of those buildings are better and healthier. And we look at it from a perspective of kind of three things. It's like the overall comfort of your environment, right? And that can be the thermal properties of it, how warm or cool the building is, the fire resistance in the building. It can be about the acoustics, sound absorption, the privacy factors, and even like in a classroom, being able to hear better because you have better acoustics. And then of course the indoor environment, indoor air quality and indoor environment quality, which is so important in how people breathe and live and just how they feel in general. So the comfort of the interior spaces, I think, is just becoming more and more important.
Absolutely, yeah, that's what we're saying as well. And after, with the pandemic, we're using our homes in so many different ways. The built environment has become under so much scrutiny, but it's kind of overwhelming, all those things you mentioned about the comfort and using a building. We need to probably spend more on education, whether it's the contractors or the end users or people like yourselves, manufacturers. Do you feel like education and upskilling people and learning maybe how the Inflation Reduction Act can be looked at for healthier buildings? Do you think education is important?
Well, I think education is so important because I don't think people truly understand the impact of the interior spaces can have on your overall health or overall kind of comfort. And so I think it's important that distributors and contractors understand the building science behind what is going into these built environments. And then I think it's really important that the occupants of these buildings know what they're putting in their buildings, what they're putting in those finished spaces, to make sure that you have the most comfortable, most energy efficient, highest quality interior environments for those occupants. Yeah,
that's right. It's energy efficiency, quality, comfort, material science, absolutely. Well, listen, Linda, thank you very much. Again, thank you for your hospitality here in Shelbyville. We've had a really, really exciting day meeting your team, and we're really looking forward to working with you more in the future.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Take care.